With more than 40 years in the industry, Elasso offers expertise and reliability in a competitive market, providing innovative technology and the highest quality equipment for the egg producer. Optimizing our designs for layer and pullet cage systems, we've engineered our most recent models with efficiency and durability in mind. By creating them as modular systems, we've facilitated the assembly process and optimized your costs. All the cage floors are manufactured with 2.11 millimeter wire, a diameter that's 3% larger, providing longevity to the equipment and a higher return on investments. The polypropylene door latch is secure and user-friendly, providing easy access to the layers. The feeder troughs are manufactured with heavy galvanized steel, designed for longer-lasting reliability. Elasso cage systems are fully automatic. All power units are direct drive, coupled motors and gearboxes, without belts, thus eliminating the need for maintenance and changes. Feed distribution is available with a traveling hopper or flat chain feeding system. With a Flex 500 independent feed filling system of 5 inches in diameter that allows for an efficient filling process. This system is installed in the front of the house and as an additional option on the back. After the hopper is filled, the feed is evenly dispersed throughout the rows, creating direct and convenient access to feed for the layers. The traveling hopper feeding system offers low power consumption and requires less maintenance. With a dispenser exclusive to Elasso, it evenly distributes feed, mixing the one in the hopper with the one in the trough. The flat chain feeding system is known in the industry for contributing to lower costs associated with feed waste, thanks to how it efficiently mixes the new feed with the old and works with any type of feed. The drinking system includes 2 nipple drinkers of 360 degrees high flow in each cage, a water regulator and a filter, medicator and water meter assembled per row, enabling more control of the flow of water to the layers. With round tubes of 3/4 of an inch in diameter, the system delivers the amount of fresh water necessary for the layers during the entire period. The J-Lock nipple design contributes to the ease of maintenance and helps reduce water waste, keeping the cage dry for the comfort and health of the layers. Elasso cage systems includes the option of climate control, a system comprising of evaporative panels and tunnel ventilation. The designs of our cage systems, coupled with a climate control system, which aids in the drying of the manure, help reduce a large percentage of the ammonia emission and costs associated with controlling flies. Stack cage systems. Elasso stacked cage systems are offered with the options of 4 to 8 decks, depending on the needs. A system designed with greater height for better ventilation. With wire cage partitions that allow air to flow freely throughout the house without obstructions. This modular cage system has structural support and reinforced trough support every 2 feet on each tier. With flexible floors, our cages can maintain the ideal angle for the rollout of eggs without obstructions. When the egg collecting system is put in motion, the belts carry the eggs to the cross conveyor, where the system, without any mechanical transfer, facilitates clean eggs to the grater room, completing the fully automated process. Manure collecting belts made of polypropylene are located between each tier. These collect the waste of the day and when put in motion carries it to the end of the house where it's deposited on a cross conveyor that take it outside the house. A-frame cage systems. Elasso A-frame cage systems are offered with the option of 3 or 4 decks, depending on the needs. A system designed with a larger cage area. Now with higher density of layers per cage and more space per layer. With 2 nipple drinkers per cage, this system provides greater water distribution to all layers, even without climate control in hot environments. Engineered with a cage stand and trough support in heavy galvanized steel every 4 feet on each tier, strengthening the system twice as much. The cage tops and doors are designed with wires parallel to the troughs, providing more wiggle room for the layers to access the feed. With flexible floors, our cages can maintain the ideal angle for the rollout of eggs without obstructions. When the egg collecting system is put in motion, the belts carry the eggs to the header, where the flexible fingers gently descend them to a cross conveyor that takes them to the greater room, completing the fully automated process. All A-frame systems are equipped with manure deflectors to a bottom pit, made of polypropylene with no maintenance required. Pullet Cage System. The Elasso A-frame pullet cage systems are offered with 3 decks, the appropriate size for the entire period prior to the laying stage. A system designed with greater height and the ability to raise the nipple drinkers to accommodate the growing size of the pullets. This allows for ease of access to water during the entire pullet period. Engineered with a cage stand and trough support in heavy galvanized steel every 4 feet on each tier, strengthening the system twice as much. All A-frame systems are equipped with manure deflectors to a bottom pit, made of polypropylene with no maintenance required.